Yes, my people, I greet you now. My fellow Biafrans. How are they? See, this video I come make them sharp. Listen, particularly I want to talk to our people for Delta State. I don't know of other people, but particularly Delta State. Una we still gather for beer parlor. They talk rubbish. They play a penny. They play draft. Now it say, no, Igbo man, no Igbo man, this Igbo man, that. Guy, you don't know anything. Now me they tell you, you don't know anything. Igbo man waiting. If I hear am, say Igbo man want thing. Person wey dey fight for you. Now, you dey comot body for the fight. Now, when Biafra don't come, because nothing go stop Biafra. That one na 1,000,000% sure. Now, God right am. When Biafra don't come, you can't come and say, hey, I want vote for me. But now, you no be Biafra. Now, you be one Nigeria, be? Wetin Nigeria don't do for you? Since they born you, wetin Nigeria don't do for you? They carry our oil money, they go, they develop themselves, they stock up for international bank. Their children, they school abroad. They get double citizenship. They get houses abroad. But when they reach our own, they go tell you, say, you be south. You not be southeast. You be Yoruba. You not be Igbo. You not be the same person with Igbo. Igbo na your enemy. How Igbo take be your enemy? Make them come prove am. Make them prove am. Igbo man wey dey help you dey fight, make your freedom come. Now you dey see as your enemy. Because of saying you no want better thing for yourself. When I go dey make noise for social media. You go even post something self about they go dey fight you. Your own people go dey fight you. But man, no worry, man, I just be one Nigeria. Because I not get sense. Arise, O compatriots. Which compatriot? That is dictatorship. Compatriot. Nigeria's Kolobe. Which call? Na call to the intimidate people. Abi? The labor of our heroes past shall never be in vain. Which hero? I don't see any hero there. The only hero is Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Uche Mefo. Patrice Lumumba. Now the heroes when they see for Africa be that. Julius Malema. Paul Kagame. Magufuli. Now the heroes when they see for Africa be that. The hero of Biafra is Dr. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Oh, but that man, when Bible talks, say wisdom is better than silver and gold. Nah, know what you mean. Guy, not everything be fight. So kind time, you don't need to fight, but you need to win. That man, na God sent. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, na God sent. To come deliver us. But now you don't come deliver us. You see the talk say, Igbo man are your enemy. Why? Because say you be ancient Israelite. When Moses can't deliver them. Now so that they say, no, we don't used to this poverty. Leave us, we'll not complain. But when they can't reach Canaan, they can't smile. Not be so. Make una wake up. When I wake up from una sleep, when I need to wake up, and when I will need to wake up. Just day that they say arise the compatriot. You don't hear Biafra national anthem. Oh boy, if you hear national anthem, oh boy, when Donald Trump hear national anthem, of Biafra, oh boy, the guy is shocked. He's shocked. He say shoo. National anthem be this. What we tell you guy? Not go there. Land of the rising sun. We love and cherish. Oh boy. The first day I hear the national anthem, I know saying that the country when I belong with this. Anywhere I go, they tell me say, and Africa, I've been in Europe. They tell me, guy, are you sure you're a Nigerian? You look different. Now I say, no, I not be Nigeria. I be Biafran. True? I not be Nigerian. I beg, I be Biafran. I can never be a Nigerian. Never, never in this life. Delta State na Biafra. So if anybody they come tell you say no, Delta, we are trying to make Nigeria great again. Oh boy, the Constitution of Nigeria. If Constitution of Nigeria, even if angel fly from heaven, say won't govern Nigeria, with that constitution, oh boy, Nigeria not go see get head. The only solution for Nigeria na make it split, make we go, let Biafra go. This is what we want. So Delta State, wake up. All the youth wanna wake up. Time don't pass when those they can't use our country to do war zone, commit genocide, kill us anyhow. That time don't pass. This is a new generation of Biafrans. We must stand for our rights. Life is our right. I don't have any other thing except my right. My right is my right. Nobody go fit take it from me. The freedom of expression, na my right. So you got to stand for your right. All those lazy warlords, they call themselves want when I don't know. They used to call the oppressors with different method. When I go carry this one, go and I go rebrand them. Come back when I go rebrand them. Now Fulani they can't take our land. When I sit there, they talk say Igbo man no good, Igbo man no good. Who come good? Now Fulani come good. Different oppression to take the oppressors. They don't do Operation Python dance season 1 to 6. They rebrand them again. Turn to crocodile smile. I've been a buffalo smile. They carry and come out, they rebrand them. They turn out to a Telugu Udo. All of them are to oppress also. They rebrand them again. They turn out to Ayama Batima. From there, they rebrand them na Operation Identify Yourself, positive identification. Where you be say you where they carry the operation out, you no get ID card. You no get ID card, but you won't make I identify myself, give you as who? As a Biafran or as a Nigerian. Which ID card you expect make I hold? I go hold Nigerian ID card. I never vote once, so I don't go feel vote. See, God forbid. They say you now go vote for who? I've not seen a capable leader in Nigeria. Only the capable leader when I don't see na Mazina the Kano. And Delta State must stand. They're gonna stop the like say the shake the one that they take, now they worry on the head. Now go they drink. Well. Boy, you don't know who you be. One Nigeria. Go now. Because as Nigeria not better, so as good thing not come from Nigeria for you, so you should believe say for your life. Good thing not free. See, good thing not just happen. Or any country not come out from Nigeria we go make your life better. Oh, but if you come Europe, your eye go clear. You will see things, guy. You will know as country they be. That be all this nonsense what they do for Nigeria. Say a development. They go use the same route to do campaign for election. When I go campaign. Another governor go come use and campaign. Road, now we borrow now be the compressor. Rain go fall, erosion go wash and come on. Now that country, it remain the same. From ages to ages, it remain the same. Now you see now useless place to identify yourself with. I'm a Biafran. Delta State belong to Biafra. So everybody need to wake up for Delta State. This is not be time to the common body. Everybody must fight this fight. This fight, not diplomatic fight. This fight, not talk fight. Guy, everybody must talk. If he resort to say not be talk again, any high big guy will remain Biafran. Make it come. We know the fear. We know they run for anything. See, we don't already die. In case you don't know. Dead body know the fear. We don't already die. Who don't die, no they know say he die safe. Death is a state in life when life is done with you. So forget it. Not threaten anybody with gun. Before they shoot the gun safe. Men don't they shoot them before people don't they shoot them. So man, I'm not threatening anybody. Delta State belongs to Biafra. So you must stand for your right and do the right thing. All hail Biafra. All hail Biafra. God bless Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and Uche Mefo and everybody within support of Biafra. Even the people within inside Berlin know say Biafra don't come. God bless everyone.